Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. Today, I'm going to be talking about what to consider when shopping for a streaming microphone. If you're new to streaming and want to improve the quality of your audio, getting a good microphone is essential. First and foremost, look for a microphone that is easy to use and compatible with your setup. USB microphones are a popular choice for beginners as they can be easily plugged into your computer and used with most streaming software. Next, consider the microphone's sound quality. Look for a microphone that can capture clear, natural-sounding audio with minimal background noise. A cardioid polar pattern is ideal for reducing unwanted noise and focusing on your voice. Another important factor to consider is the microphone's build quality and durability. Look for a microphone that is well made and can withstand regular use without breaking or malfunctioning. Finally, think about your budget. There are many affordable options available that offer good sound quality and ease of use, but you may need to spend more for higher-end microphones with more advanced features. Here are some recommendations for streaming microphones for beginners. A budget-friendly option is the Samson Meteor mic, which is a popular choice due to its affordability and ease of use. It offers clear sound quality and a cardioid polar pattern, as well as a built-in stand and headphone output for monitoring with a price of around $50. Next is the mid-range option of the Blue Yeti, which is a versatile and easy-to-use microphone that offers excellent sound quality and multiple polar patterns to suit different recording situations. It also has a built-in headphone jack and mute button for convenience, with a price of around $130. Finally, the high-end option, the Audio-Technica AT2035, which is a professional-grade microphone that offers exceptional sound quality and versatility. It has a cardioid polar pattern and a high-pass filter to reduce low-frequency noise, as well as a shock mount and protective pouch for transportation. This is priced at around $150. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye everyone!